Why is causation important in fiduciary breach claims? Imagine someone you trust with your most valuable possessions suddenly taking them and claiming they had the right to do so. How do you prove they caused your loss? That's where causation comes into play. In legal terms, causation connects the breach of a fiduciary duty directly to the harm or damages suffered. Without this link, it's like trying to prove someone's actions caused a problem when there's no clear connection. In elder law, estate law, wills and trusts, fiduciaries like trustees, executors, or agents are expected to act loyally and carefully. If they mismanage assets or act in their own interest instead of the beneficiaries, the harmed party needs to show that this breach actually caused their financial loss. For example, if a trustee misappropriates trust funds, causation proves that this act led to a decrease in the trust's value, affecting the beneficiary's inheritance. Causation is also essential because it links the breach to the specific damage. If a trustee makes a poor investment, the beneficiary must show that the poor decision, not just market downturns, caused the loss. This prevents claims based on hindsight or unrelated market changes. It also helps courts decide what remedies are fair. If the breach caused actual financial harm, the court can order damages or other remedies. If there's no proof of causation, the court usually won't award any compensation. The party claiming the breach has the responsibility to prove causation. They must demonstrate that, if the fiduciary had not acted improperly, the harm would not have happened. This protects fiduciaries from being held responsible for losses that are unrelated to their conduct. In estate and trust disputes, this means showing that mismanagement or self-dealing was the real cause of the financial damage, not just market fluctuations or other external factors. In cases involving investments, causation becomes even more important. If a fiduciary's imprudent investing caused a loss, the claimant must prove that the breach, not just the poor performance, led to the damage. This prevents unfair blame based on hindsight and ensures only actual misconduct is penalized. Overall, causation makes sure that only the breaches that truly harm the estate or trust are subject to legal action. It keeps the process fair by requiring a clear, direct connection between the fiduciary's misconduct and the resulting damages. This way, beneficiaries can be confident that they are only compensated for losses directly caused by a breach, not for unrelated declines or market changes.